What up, squad? It's your boy Knockout 360 here with another video. So as you can tell, I'm in the car. This isn't necessarily a car vlog, but we are going to do a little bit of car shit here. This is kind of like an update video, guys, because a lot of you guys have been asking about the power stops and is it worth it and this, that, and the other. So I've had the power stops on for about a little less than a week. I'd say about 3-4 days at this point. And if you saw my last video, you'll know that I was definitely putting them to the test as far as braking is concerned. So I think at this point I should be able to get an honest assessment as to how they are. Now I want to touch on a few different points. The first point is obviously performance, you know, the bite, the grip, all that stuff, the Powerstop brakes and rotor package and all that stuff, the bite. And then I want to touch on the brake dust, right? Now my brake dust may be a little skewed because I haven't had my car professionally washed between when I put the power stops on and now. So my brakes are probably still just as dirty as they were prior to the power stops with the brembos as they are now with them on. But we can definitely speak on the performance aspect of it, right? What I am about to do is take it to the car wash for a quick minute, wash it off a little bit, have you guys take a look at the brakes, and we'll go from there. But that's all we're doing today. Real simple video. Brake dust, Powerstop. No more brake dust. I sent to the CarLock here. Sitting here cleaning my car and it's going on. Yes, sir. I'm not drying it off today. I don't feel like it. No brake dust at all. But if you guys are familiar with seeing my car wash videos, where there be a bunch of mess right here, nothing. Absolutely nothing. I haven't washed my car in a week. Power stops is legit, guys. I'm telling you. Power stops, no brake dust, no problem. I'm telling you. Stop playing. There you go. Interrupted my CarPlay. CarLock. Hope you guys can see me here, but all in all, man, the brakes are legit. I mean, as far as performance is concerned, like I said in my last video, I did get a chance to test them out really well on 485, which is a major highway here in Charlotte. I had no issues, man. Stopping was on point. It was doing exactly what it needed to do. Was it impressive to the point like it was day and night between brembos and what I have on now? Honestly, no. I can't really tell the difference between the brembos that I already had and you know, the power stops now. The only difference that I can tell is with the brake dust, which if you suffer from brake dust, which we all do if you own a Hemi, specifically the 6.4s and the 6.2s, it would probably behoove you to switch to the power stops just for that reason alone. But if you're switching from power stops to brembos or from brembos to power stops strictly because of what you heard as far as the performance is concerned, I'll be honest with you, I really don't see it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, does it bite? Yeah, absolutely. Is it day and night difference between my brembos? Not really, in my opinion. I couldn't really notice it, to be honest with you guys, and I was on it like heavy, like 140 miles to like 60 type heavy, you know what I'm saying? So needless to say, I was putting them to work, but maybe it could be a situation where they're still new, because I just got them put on Thursday and I'm making this video on Monday. So I've only had these brakes on, what, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then of course today. So maybe the brakes are too new and I haven't worn them in. That could be a situation. I think they're good. I think they're good pads. They're good rotors and a whole nine. I just can't really tell day and night difference between the Powerstops and the brembos, you know, especially with the brake pads, you know. But I'm not going to knock it. If that's the decision that you guys want to make for the brake dust, that's day and night difference, right? So the brake dust in and of itself should sell these brake pads. You know what I'm saying? You saw me washing my car and you saw that there was literally no brake dust coming off of my car. As far as, you know, washing them with the hard the water or whatever, right? With the brembos, it would have been flooded. Like, it would have been dirty to the point that you would have thought my brakes was bleeding or something like that. You know what I'm saying? But with the Powerstops, no brake dust at all. So if your biggest thing is the brake dust and you being tired of dealing with brake dust, the Powerstops is the option, the way to go. The Powerstops and their brake dust option, as far as not producing as much brake dust, that in and of itself is worthy of upgrading, right? If you want better brakes, better stopping distance, more aggressive stopping distance, I don't know. I don't really see that jump from Brembo to Powerstop to be that significant. But like I said, the brake dust sells in and of itself. Look at Siri right here.
Here's what I found.
Exactly. But as always, guys, like, subscribe, comment. Powerstop brakes, I give them a 10 out of 10. They did their job. They do it well. I can't complain, you know. They're not above and beyond, day and night, better than everything else, but they certainly did their job, so I'm not tripping. But as always, like, subscribe, comment. It's been your boy Knockout360 here. If you got any more questions, hit me in the DMs on the gram. Same name, Knockout360. We'll see you from there. Peace.